So I just wanted to do a quick example of a question that you might see. So watch this video if you need an example. If you can do the questions, then go ahead and do the questions. So, given that sine pi by 5 is 0.5878, evaluate cosine 3 pi by 10. So we're given one value and we want to figure out another value. So the way that we want to start thinking is, first of all, we're trying to find cos 3 pi by 10. So that's got a denominator of 10. So we really should think about sine pi by 5 as sine 2 pi by 10, right? We should think about those equivalent fractions. Then we need to think about that cos 3 pi by 10, and we need to think if we can use one of those identities that we learned with the pi by 2. So can we possibly write this as cos pi by 2 minus something, right? Because we know that 3 pi by 10 is less than pi by 2, so maybe we can write it as pi by 2 minus something. So let's call that something a, and now let's figure out what a could be. So 3 pi by 10, which is from here, is equal to pi by 2 minus a. And then we'll just solve for a. So a is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 10. So equivalent fraction, common denominator, that's 5 pi by 10 minus 3 pi by 10, which is 2 pi by 10, which is pi by 5. Okay? And that's exciting because we've got pi by 5 here and we've got pi by 5 here. So we know that cos 3 pi by 10 is the same as sine pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 10, right? That's one of those identities that we learned. So cos 3 pi by 10 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 10. So that means that cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to sine pi by 5 because we figured out that pi by 2 minus 3 by pi by 10 is equal to pi by 5. And that means that cos 3 pi by 10 is equal to 0.5878. And that's it. That's all we need to do to apply these identities. Okay, so watch the video again if you need to, and then try those homework questions.